And Clutter Clarity is powered by Mr. Floor Cleaning Products.
Awesome. Okay, so this week, somebody sent me a Facebook post about things to get rid of. It's called 8 household
I thought you
items.
said 10.
Rid of.
I'm sorry, 8 household items that go bad or become dangerous. That was funny, Rich. Thank you. And this is from Money Talks News.
Uh-huh.
And as I was reading this, I thought, well, you know what? I just have to open this up to you guys to tell me what you
all?
think. Y'all. Because, again, I am all about cluttering, getting rid of things that have expired or aren't useful. A lot of people now are telling me, I want to make sure they go to a good place. When you're getting rid of things, I want to make sure it's donated, it can be used, so on and so on. So then when I came across this article, I'm like, come on, these things can't really expire. So you tell me what you think.
Honey cannot expire.
That's the only food item that I have read that never expires. That's
Never.
the only one that honey never expires.
Right. Unless it's not pure. If it's pure honey, it will not expire. But they have blends, and those blends then will turn to sugar, and you've got other issues there. But yes.
Yeah, when
So-
they thin it with corn syrup.
Yes.
This article says cleaning supplies. According to Good
What?
Housekeeping, cleaning supplies can degrade over time and lose their effectiveness.
Okay.
The plastic containers they're stored in may also affect their formulas over time. The magazine says you can use these rules of thumb when it comes to deciding when cleaning supplies expire. Laundry detergent, 6 to 12 months.
What?
I don't believe any of this. Fabric softener,
Well,
1
I
year.
think what it is it's the chemical additives, the volatile organic compounds that evaporate out of it. So, think about like ammonia, it'll dissipate. So your Windex is nothing but water and blue dye
Okay.
because the ammonia is evaporated.
Got it.
So I'll go along with that a little bit. But, like laundry detergent, do you really think you're not going to use it in a year?
Right. Cleaners with antibacterial ingredients, it says 1 year. Disinfectant says 2 year. Dishwasher detergent, 3 months.
Really?
And dish soap, 12 to 18 months. I'm finding it really hard to believe this. So if you want to comment, you can email me, Robbie@mightyhouse.net, or you could call us 877-711-5611 and talk to Fresh Meat.
Yes.
But
Or you
here's
could
some
just
other
post
things.
it right there on Facebook Live.
On the Facebook. Yeah. if you're
Yes.
live.
Okay, so here's some other things.
Okay.
And this is a good topic also. But don't spend too much time talking about this, Rich, because Clutter Clarity is over in just a minute. Fire extinguishers.
Fire extinguishers should be checked and redone every year. They come in and they retest them at once a year, and then they're good to go. But you've also got the gauge on there. So
But do you trust that?
the gauge?
Yeah, like I have one in my car.
Yeah.
On the between the seats.
Yeah.
And it still shows green.
Right.
It's been in there 8 years.
Uh-huh.
And
But-
it's one of the ones I recalled.
Yeah. Oh,
So
so
if
yeah.
I have a fire, pull the pin, squeeze the thing, nothing happens.
Right. Yeah. So then it's no good. And if the smaller ones, they cannot be recharged.
Why aren't you getting rid of that? You said it was recalled, right?
It's more decorative.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Um,
Okay, so
it looks cool.
according to the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors,
Uh-huh.
fire extinguishers expire, and they do this for a few different reasons. One common way is that over time, the seal on the neck will weaken and allow compressed gas to escape.
Right.
They've
Yeah.
lost their pressure, they won't operate. They have expensive extinguishers that have expired, especially those designed for commercial use. Hiron can be refilled and resealed by companies who specialize in the service. Inexpensive models are disposable. We only have 2 minutes left, so I'm going to get to another one that I found very questionable.
Okay.
Motor oil.
It goes bad?
With the
Like,
fluctuating
you-
cost of oil, it may be tempting to buy a lifetime supply when you find a great deal, but you could end up with oil that doesn't perform well if you pull out a bottle that's been in storage for years. Some oils
right.
have additives that can break down over time. In addition, open or unsealed bottles can absorb moisture. The shelf life may vary depending on the manufacturer. What?
Okay, Rich, go.
That's absolutely true. I'll do this as quick as I can. The additives are what break down. Even when you change the oil in your vehicle, the dirty oil never loses its lubricating properties. It gets full of dirt,
Right.
and or those additives break down, the cleaners and stuff. So I would agree with that statement that you should not store oil forever.
Right.
I was just really surprised that it's going to make a difference.
But in a pinch, it'll work.
Yeah.
If it's a choice of not running with any oil in your engine or putting an old oil in, I'd put the old oil in.
Absolutely.
Now, there's one topic I'm going to get to after the break because
Yep.
it's something that comes up in my business all the time. People
Okay.
ask about this. But according to this article, bar soap, 3 years.
What?
Mascara, 3 months. I've heard about mascara. Most people keep
Yeah,
it longer
I
than
keep
that.
mine longer than that. Though.
Because they say every time you push the thing inside,
Yeah.
you're
Pushing
pushing
air
in
to-
bacteria and
Yeah,
you know,
that's okay.
lipstick,
I keep mine around. I don't.
deodorant. Come on. Bar soap is not going to go bad.
No.
I don't think so. It's
just
going to
dries out.
dehydrate.
Dehydrate.
This is
We'll be back right after this.
Mighty House will return.